Going so fast.
What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets React, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we are back with another Motorsports reaction. It's been a long time, but we are back. If you're new to the channel and we're new to you, make sure you scroll down, hit the red subscribe button, and turn on the post notification bell because we're on the road to 50K. And we cannot get there without you guys, all right? Join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Woo! Starting off.
FIA.
That's fast.
There it is.
It's like
but how fast is this fast for a truck racing?
I don't know.
Is it doing what a NASCAR would do or a rally car would do? Or
it has a trailer on the back, so
feel
that
me?
makes
It got a bed.
Yeah.
So is it kicking more or less? Is it dragging?
I don't know, baby. I don't know about this.
Does it fall in the category of a muscle car? See, I don't know. I don't know.
Supercharged engines.
Yeah, they fast. They're pretty damn fast. Okay.
To avoid tipping over.
Slipping and tumbling. That's
what I was thinking of with the bed that it has. Going so fast. I have to see this.
That little window they looking through. Get it up.
Yeah, it looked like it picks up speed now. Come on, let's
go. I thought it was just going side by side. We got a whole race going on.
NASCAR.
Man. Okay. Of course you're going.
Full of black
smoke in there. Some trucks. Funny though, because you know they literally have to be a certain level off the ground to avoid tipping, and you can literally tip just from not having that certain metric.
Yeah, they are. Oh, nice. They too close for me.
Okay. Because it has a bed on it, it just looks more difficult to swing past another. You know what I'm saying? And it on a turn, so this stuff's skipping. I don't think that they bumps would like dramatically mess the whole car up on this first, you know what I'm saying? On this first bump. I think they can like literally crash to each other every once in a while and still keep pushing. Oh, he done hit the dang cone.
It look flimsy anyway.
It looked like it's hard to keep, like, to pass up a car.
And they so close to each other.
See, the bed is stopping them. Ooh, he's flying.
It's like they gotta get off the gas.
Yeah, you got to.
On the curves. Look.
Okay, we got one that's, okay, gaining speed. He's moving forward. I like that. I think on the curve, you gotta jump in front of that car. That car gonna still run this race with you. I think it takes the car that's in the lead to either ease up on his gas, have maybe a bad turn, either too wide or too tight, in order for the next car to pass him up. And he's trying to get his spot. And he did. Oh, is he on the right side? Yeah, he in the grass. I'm about to say, who on the road and who ain't?
I don't know.
See, that's a wide turn. That right there would cost him. That probably give him, yeah. No, that was it?
I don't know, y'all. This looked like one of the most, we have watched Group B.
Mm-hmm.
I was going to say this was one of the most dangerous racing. But it's up there. And I only say that because it can easily tip over and the bed. Yeah,
and I think because the vehicles are so long, and I could be wrong, it may be the same size as the average, but it's a truck. So because it's so long, it tipping can really cause a collision. So that's the only thing is with me as well, you know. So.
Yeah. So if you would like for us to do more motorsports reactions, drop those links down in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. We have enabled our super thanks if you like to support the channel that way, as well as our join feature to become a VIP member. Check out the description box for more information. We'll see you soon. Peace.